All right, sorry guys, I got a phone call in the middle of that and it stopped my recording. Okay, so then you could talk about each person. This is my brother. His name is this. This one is my sister. Her name is this. This is me. This is another brother. This is another sister. Or whatever the case may be, okay? To talk about on the DVD, you're going to see them talk about which sibling they're closest to. And that just means which one you have like the most in common with, which one you get along the best. Okay? Or you might see them ask you, which one are you closest to? And that would look like this. Okay, it's a which one question. Eyebrows are down. You will also see them talk on the DVD about maybe similarities and differences. So maybe these two. Okay. And then maybe these two. Okay. But you're using this listing the entire time to talk about your siblings. Similarities, differences, who you're close to. Some other signs you're going to see. Oldest. Oldest. Last. Means the youngest. Last. Last. Okay. What else do you need to know? I think that might be all the vocab you need. Oh, one other thing. You might see on the DVD, we've learned this sign, this "oh, I see," right? And we've talked about how in conversations, in hearing culture, when somebody else is speaking, it's appropriate to be quiet and to listen, right? Whereas in deaf culture, it's more appropriate to be taking part in the conversation so that they know you're paying attention by using signs like "oh, I see." And you might see this one in this chapter, interesting. Okay, these two fingers pinch. So it's like the sign for like, except it's both hands. Interesting. And that's just a little bit stronger of a reaction than the "oh, I see" sign. Okay, so you might see that. You're going to see them talk about which siblings are deaf and which are hearing. So remember those signs. Okay. All right, so I'm going to have you do homework 4 or 5. As well as homework 4-4. So you're going to do 4-4, 4-5, 4-6. Okay, quick lesson on talking about age. Your DVD shows you how to do this, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, except to say you're going to see some variation. So when you're talking about, this is the sign for how old. Eyebrows are down, how old. 2 movements, how old. When you're talking about age, you're going to use the numbers that you guys already know, but when it's age, the number gets signed from your chin. So this is 1-year-old, 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, 6, 7, 8, and 9 years old. Now, the way I was taught and the way I see a lot of deaf people sign it is that after 9, you have to sign age 10, age 11, age 12 for every number after. On the DVD, you're going to see they still use just that pointer finger. So they do 10, 11, 12, 25, 36, whatever. So I just wanted you to be aware of that variation. But watch on the DVD. I think it's Iva, if I remember correctly. She gives you a complete lesson on how to do ages, including for babies, months, right? Age 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. So watch that lesson on the DVD because then you can also do that homework assignment. That's homework 4-7. And then that catches us up a little bit. If I have time later today or tomorrow, I might record another quick video to give you guys some more vocab so that you could do a little bit more. But this is good for now. It at least gets you started.